hidden. The sea is shining through the palm trees, where the coast lets the city begin. A statue waits by the water, where journeys end and moments stay. I arrive now in Torre Vieja, and let the silence lead my way. Torre Vieja, soft in the air, light and voices by the sea. Time feels softer when I'm here. Everything moves patiently. No rush, no plan, just open sky. The evening stays with me. Torre Vieja, city by the water, you quietly carry me. A woman on a white bench waiting, watching the horizon glow. I love Torre Vieja, beside her smiles and photos warm and slow. Footsteps tracing down the shoreline, memories in every sound. Little moments turning golden as the sun goes down. Torre Vieja, soft in the air, light and voices by the sea. Time feels softer when I'm here. Everything moves patiently. No rush, no plan, just open sky. The evening stays with me. Torre Vieja, city by the water, you quietly carry me. A quiet place for those we love.